Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing Dandy's World. I haven't made a video about this on my channel yet, but I do play it. I'm not that good at it, and I don't have that many tunes as you can see, but I'm getting there. So I'm just going to be doing dandy runs, just random stuff. So there's a dandy run here. I'm going to quickly see if I can join it. It's not a main run because there's not main tunes in there. Okay. I joined. Okay. Dandy and Astro Run. Okay. I've never actually been in an Astro Run before. I don't know what you do to get Astro to come. I've been in the Dandy Run though before. Basically just you don't buy from Dandy's shop and then Dandy gets angry that you're not buying from him, and then he comes for you as a twisted. If you know what I mean, if you play Dandy's World. Okay, let's just start. If you don't play Dandy's World, you might not get some of the things that I'm talking about, because just the words, extracting machines and stuff, just the things that you do in the game. So I'm gonna start this run. Just waiting for everyone. This takes so long to start. Okay, there we go. So I feel like we have so many squirms. Yeah. Oh no, never mind. We have one squirm. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Oh, Squam's already scared. Okay. Poppy, hello. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's get this machine. So yeah, I think we're doing Dandy and Astro Run. I don't have that much research on Astro, which is good. So that's good then. Because he is actually scary, because he's in the round when you hear like loads of thumping noises. And then you just see this big hat. Okay, GG is taking forever to do this. To extract. GG has good extracting skills, so okay. Don't know why it's kind of annoying me with no noise, no sound. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, accidentally came out of it. Don't mind my homepage, that's just my Douglas Esser, which you'd probably see on my latest short. I did a short about her. Oh, come on. Okay, I did it again. Okay. There's Poppy, and I think someone's on the last machine, so we'll just go to elevator. Okay. There we go. We'll just wait. Everyone does take a while to come. I guess there is a lot of distracting people, so everyone's busy distracting. Okay, I keep coming out of the home page. Out of the game. Onto the home page. Okay. We've got a TV here with Shelly and Finn. Just talking about fossils. Okay. Just like an animation. We need to hurry up. What are they doing? I thought someone was on the last machine. Oh, someone said good boy. Bad Finn, good boy. Oh, okay. Glad I'm not Finn. Can we hurry up? Okay, I've run out of stamina now. Okay, Yatta's just waiting with Louie. Okay. Okay, I think someone's on the last machine. Yeah. Okay. There's... And let me know if I want to know if the comments are on, because a lot of the time the comments are off. Because I set my videos as the made for children, so a lot of the time my comments are off. But if they're on, let me know if you play Dandy's World, if you got the Care Bears, because Dandy's World did a Care Bear collaboration. This morning I got Cosmo the Care Bear. Yeah. Okay, so to be honest, I know this was very short, but I think I'm gonna have to finish soon. But oh, okay, there's Roger. Let me know if any of you would want another video on Dandy's World though. I'll try and do it a bit longer this round because we're literally still on floor 2. So okay. I know I'm such a pro at this. Like, no one can be more pro than me. Like I still have 3 hearts, and I know I'm still on floor 2, but some people are dead by now. So I think they're good. Okay, there's Roger. Thank you. Astro gave me more stamina. I wish Gigi had more stamina though. Like, not just 100 stamina, like 150 or something. But come on, Lou, you're gonna get killed. Okay, he's not gonna. Okay, he's gonna make it. Oh, someone died. Okay. Let's do speed. Need more speed. Yeah, I'm just bored on a Monday. Just looking at Gigi's jumper. Sweater, whatever it is. I like that she just has a star. I don't know, I'm just bored while I'm waiting to start the round. Okay, nice, we got another jumper cable. And there's Boxster. I do need more research on Connie because I only got the other day. So I don't have that much research on her. She is really slow though. I wish she was faster, but she has like I think she has 1 star movement speed, so makes sense. Yes, so I think that's gonna be it with my recording time for today. I know we're only on floor 3, but I just wanted to do a little video, talking about Dandy's World a bit, just showing that I play Dandy's World, just to give you guys some more, I don't know, more options to see which videos you like the most. So yeah. Thank you everyone for watching, and